Today I'm going to teach you how to do the slip stitch and how to do the half double crochet stitch. To do a slip stitch when you're working in rows, this is all you got to do. It's pretty simple. I would make it looser than you normally would though, because they do end up going pretty tight. And if you're working in rows, like for a scarf or something, then you have a lot more rows to go. And to avoid some frustration in the future, just make it a little looser than normal. So to do this, you need to insert your hook without yarning over. Just simply insert your hook through the stitch, yarn over now and pull up a loop, so you have two. And now you're going to slide this loop into this one's DMs, just like this. Just slipping it into that stitch. That's why it's called a slip stitch. Let's do it one more time, maybe two more times. So go ahead, go through the stitch and pull up a loop. Now you're gonna slip stitch. And like I said, it's pretty simple. They are tighter stitches, so just always make sure you have that in mind. Practice is gonna make perfect on this one. Another way that you may use a slip stitch, and let me just grab these chains that I've pre-prepared. Hang on. Oh, they got all tangled. Here we go. So I've made some chains. Another way you might use it, insert your hook through the first chain, because your project will say like slip stitch through first chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop just like this, and do the exact same thing, but this time it's going to give you a circle, and you're going to work that circle. But we're going to get more about, into the round and whatnot as we go on. That was just an example to show that there's a variety of ways that you can use the slip stitch. Now I will show you the half double crochet stitch, and it shouldn't take too long considering these are easy. They're less work than a double crochet stitch because you're just doing half of it, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Yarn over, insert your hook through the stitch, pull up a loop. There's going to be 3. Yarn over, and simply pull through all 3. So yarn over, insert your hook through the stitch. Okay. Good job. Wow, look at you go. Okay, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through all 3. And that is how it's done. That's it. Well, I hope you guys learned a little something today. Enjoy the journey. I'm trying to, upgrade this as I go. I'm still filming on a potato, but hopefully that helped you out a little bit. All right. I'll see you probably for when I talk about in the round versus, traditional crochet, which will probably be my next video. All right. Have a good one.